On today's Body Cam, we're checking out friends brawl over man ends with a felony.
An off-duty cop working security at a Florida nightclub found two friends, Chastity and Caitlin, in a full-blown brawl.
Hold
As he tried to separate them, Chastity struck the officer in the face before running outside toward her sister's car.
Put your shirt. Put your hands behind your back. Hey, don't get out the get out the car right now, all of you. Get out the car.
They tried to dip out the car. They tried to take off, lead the friends or something. What happened?
Get out the car. Sir, I got nothing. I don't care. Everyone get out the car. Get in front of the car. Hey, I got one detained inside. I had to grab them.
Cassidy, get out the car!
Go to whatever you got. Okay. Step out.
Sir, did I give you permission to get into my vehicle?
Chastity, step out.
Sir, you're right.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, sir, I do.
Don't walk away. Do not walk away. Don't walk away.
Oh man, you done f***ed up the hood, man. Oh man, god damn, man. Did you hear the dent? Oh man, come on, man.
Step out.
Sir, you're right.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, sir, I do.
Don't walk away. Do not walk away. Don't walk away. Stop.
Record everything. Record everything. Record everything. Record everything. Record everything. Record everything. I got ball money.
We know where you are.
Stop. Yeah. What's your name?
Come on.
What?
She didn't do anything. She was attacked.
We're gonna figure that out right now. Come on.
I didn't do anything. No. Please let me go.
Hold on.
I ain't going to jail. Stop. You're going. Record everything. I ain't going to jail. I got bomb money. You think I'm scared of you?
Calm down. Stay with her. Grab her stuff. Stay here. Wait here.
Your wife probably cheated on you. Wife probably cheating on you. Stop, bro. She hit me.
No, come on.
I got a bomb. I ain't tripping. Call that over here.
What happened?
Chastity, I don't know. He's being patient when you stop.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You tell me what happened.
No. He wants me to say shit that's against me. Stop talking.
No, if you got with somebody, you tell me what happened.
Yeah.
Battery on a Leo on her.
You're tripping, bro. You're tripping, child. You're retarded.
I'm gonna want to talk to you guys to figure out what happened because she's not gonna want to tell me. So if you guys just stand by for a second. Okay.
What I'm saying, Janissa, I know my laws. I know my laws. I love you. I know my laws.
Her and another girl were fighting out front. I came outside to grab a breather.
Let me talk to him first, okay?
Fighting out first, I was trying to separate between them. The girl back over there whacked me, and then she went to go back at her.
I didn't want to wait.
Hey. Stop talking.
On a Leo, Chas. On a Leo? What's a Leo?
Law enforcement officer.
A cop, Chastity. I didn't touch him. They're going to listen to him.
That's what he's saying that though.
They're going to listen to him. Oh, yeah? Replay the cameras. And I'm not pressing charges. I ain't tripping over shit. All right, I ain't tripping. What's up?
I don't know.
You need something?
I'm still trying to figure out what happened.
Oh, okay.
Somebody told me to put her in.
No, I want something. No, I'm not, because I'm not doing anything. I'm not searching her. These don't give a f about us. I ain't worried about you.
Hey, dear.
I didn't do anything. I ain't worried.
Please put her in your car. Come on.
It's on recorder,
Please
right?
put her in your car.
I'm gonna get bombed out tomorrow, you bum ass, you ugly ass. Figure out what that's what we're gonna try to figure out, okay? Listen, Mama, what's your name?
Damn, man. On one end, it's like, I get it. If she was attacked, she shouldn't be arrested. But in the meantime, the officers just got to do their investigation to figure out what exactly happened. I mean, if everyone is saying, she hit her first and yada, yada, then that's understandable. Even with the officer getting attacked, it was because the one in the red was going after the one in the black, and yeah, listen, If somebody come at you, you got the right to defend yourself, man. Forget that.
What do you think? I'll stand by with her. What do you guys do? Anything? I didn't do anything. Let's do anything. It's the payment.
Come on.
These are some interesting outfit choices, boy.
Come on.
It's the payment. Come on. Yeah, thank you so much, my love.
What you doing back in Sanford?
You don't shut the door. You got my. She hit you?
What? Yeah, she hit me.
Oh, I didn't see that.
She whacked me in the face.
Okay.
She's tripping.
I don't need anything else, just her ID.
I'm so sorry about it.
And she is going to go to jail tonight,
That's
right?
fine. I already know. Hey, listen to me. Look, we got to figure out what's going on. Okay? In order for us to figure that out, you need to say. Listen, we're not taking you to jail right now. But we're trying to figure out what's going on. So do me a favor, sit in the car. What are you doing? Sit in the car. Listen. Hey, I didn't do anything. Hey, listen. Listen to me. If you keep acting like this, I'm gonna have to take you for drunk and disorderly. Do you understand? So we're gonna figure this out. I need something. I need my purse and my phone. Please. We're gonna figure it out. Please. Listen, Mama, we're gonna figure it out, okay?
Listen, I'm gonna give her about 1 to 2 more minutes, man. If she don't calm it down, if I was the officer, she would begin drunk and disorderly, like that lady said. You better calm it down, because you not listening. We just said we not taking you to jail. Relax. Relax.
Oh, you see me and my friends trying to drive you away? We gotta figure it out. No, stop. So I just need your information for now.
Like when I got to the bar, they were both like being like subtly disrespectful to each other.
I didn't do anything now. Like, Kayla, you see how you were just really calm on it? No, because she lost my purse. I got my fucking ID in my bag. No, stop. I'm just gonna run your ID. No. I'm annoyed. You want some Hey.
So what are you going to charge with? Battery on you. And resisting the violence.
Yeah.
You're not going to play this game like, oh, they weren't fighting, they're fighting.
No.
They're pulling you. No. Stop. I'm going to stop you guys right now.
That's not what I said.
No. You guys, all right, hold on.
Arguing before it happened.
All right.
I was saying they were arguing beforehand.
Yeah.
I think they were fighting over a guy, and Katie was yelling, "I don't want your man."
My hands hurt. I thought with my friend. She said me and lied. I said nothing. I said my purse. I said nothing. Crazy. What's up?
Are you gonna stay calm if I pull you out of the car?
Of course.
Okay, they're gonna search you.
Of course.
You are going to jail today, okay?
I'm going to jail?
You're going to jail today.
Why?
You're getting charged with battery on DO and disorderly intox.
What?
Disorderly intox.
I need my phone. Where's my phone? I need it. No.
She's going to jail too. They're gonna see each other in jail, okay? You just put your feet in. I'm gonna move you to the front over there. She's gonna search you over there.
I got cash in this stuff. Buy me out tomorrow morning. You.
I'm not arresting you.
Who is that?
That guy.
Jesus. You're getting charged with a big charge, sir. How much? I don't know, but it's a battery on chassis. Stop. Don't even talk.
Oh, y'all think y'all getting a trophy for arresting me? Whoop the dude. Call mommy. I got money on cards. I'll be out tomorrow.
I love you, Chad.
You little dick.
It's all right. I don't take anything personal.
Don't do anything. That's being so nice. I was being nice to her.
Aren't they friends?
No, it's an asshole. What did you mean? Hello. Hi.
She's calm.
Come on out. You want to search me?
Yeah. Alright, my question first. You got anything on you folks that hurt me?
Find out. My hands are in handcuffs.
I'm asking you a serious question. Do you have anything on you that's...
My hands are in handcuffs. Go ahead and search me, bro.
Alright, okay.
Is the other defendant getting arrested as well?
I don't know because I wasn't part of the investigation.
Okay, because if I'm not getting any charges pressing against me, then neither one of us will be getting arrested. So, as long as your body camera's on,
like I said,
I'll be out tomorrow.
That's fine.
Her charge is completely different. Like you hit a cop. you got bigger problems to worry about, man.
Thank you.
Watch your knee, okay?
I'm good. Battery. I'm getting arrested for battery.
Yeah, I guess you hit the officer.
I'm getting charged with battery on a police officer.
Mm-hmm.
Been there, done that.
Okay, we're gonna take you to the jail. Do you have any? Listen to anything in your boots that you can't have to bring into the jail? Because it's gonna be an extra charge. Go to jail. Yeah.
No, I'm gonna go there. No,
Do you have anything? Do you have anything?
I don't. I'm gonna go to jail.
No.
I don't want to go.
Don't add another charge to you, okay? Don't add another charge to you.
I don't want to go.
Get in the car. Come on.
I don't want to go
Stop.
to jail.
You want me to add another
No,
charge?
because I
Then
need
sit down.
me. What do you mean?
Sit down.
I'm gonna go there.
You're not understanding the part. I have nothing to do with what you're getting charged with. I'm just transporting you to the jail.
Bitch, I'm on like 4 different walls. Kidnapping, allegedly from my baby daddy.
You kidnapped your baby daddy?
Yeah, that's crazy, right? Can you imagine? Ever kidnapped
You know what?
twice your size? Isn't that hilarious?
That's crazy. You see how much nicer you are when you calm down? Because when you're upset, you mean.
How is she?
She's calm.
What'd she do for that? I'm Leo.
She hit an officer in the face.
Who she did?
The new guy.
I'm gonna go home.
Are you gonna behave yourself?
Then the new guy got hit in the face.
I don't want to have to add another charge, okay?
Just what?
You're going to jail tonight.
Why?
The question is, are you going to be...
Why?
Or do I have to let them know that you're being like this?
Why? I didn't even fight anybody.
Listen, you're also going for drunk and disorderly.
I didn't do it.
So listen, are you going to behave yourself when we get to the jail?
I didn't do anything.
Kaylin.
Fine. I didn't do anything.
Yeah, am I going to have to tell them that you're being like this? But I have
No,
to
fine.
take you now, okay?
That's crazy. What the
Listen, you got to pick better friends, okay?
I'm gonna get wrong.
Caitlin was charged with disorderly conduct and disorderly intoxication. She was held on a $1,250 bond. Chastity, no stranger to being arrested, faced the same 2 charges as Caitlin, along with resisting an officer with violence and battery on an LEO. Chastity was held with no bond due to the felony violence charges against an officer.
Looking for answers as the world